What is that?
I have the deep fry.
Oh yeah.
Deep fry.
Oh yeah.
One.
One.
One bowl. And also have the curly stick. Curly stick.
Okay.
And pancake.
One here.
You guys looking for like a tzatziki soup or just regular tzatziki?
Tuna, big tuna, dim sum. Okay. I videotape you guys.
I was looking at Hugo, I was looking at Barrel Chicken. Those are very expensive.
Oh, that's
Because my
good.
budget is like $2,500.
Maybe you made two.
I'm gonna give you a new one.
No, it's okay.
Find it. $1,000 max. What's the wife charge?
You said $1,000 max on your soup?
Ooh. Two. Yep.
Vai skinny, vai slim. Always have to work out.
It's beautiful. How do you call this in Chinese? Huh?
This is
Yeah.
Chinese language.
Yeah.
Oh, ao zha.
熬炸.
Very popular.
Yeah. Can I have some onion?
Onion? Yeah.
You can put in the bowl.
Okay.
Put it into a bowl like this and put it in.
You like the onion?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yep.
hold on.
Go on, Jose make. Jose make. And then go on to clearance section. I have really good clearance
That's good enough. Thank
because most
you.
of them are season ending. Yeah. So
That's good.
they could slash the price up to 80%.
Okay, we're good for now. Thank
You have
you.
depending on the size that a lot of people don't fit anyway.
Hey, Nolan. Nolan. Hello. And Sylvia.
Dress shirts, I think you can get $50. Two for 30.
Liam.
Good quality. Yes.
Ooh, can I have the door?
Okay.
Hi, Liam. What are you eating? Ooh, you should try those. Those are good. Hey, girls. Special. You're gonna be in YouTube. Nolan. Okay. All right.